Dr. Feldman, tell me a little bit about this float run harness.
Okay. Float run harness is here, which I'll explain in a second, but the reason for the float run harness is because a lot of people think running is bad for your knees, bad for your feet, but running is excellent for you as an aerobic activity, as a full body workout. What's bad for feet and bad for knees is running with bad form. So the float run harness is really designed to help out form. Most important thing with form isn't necessarily whether you're going to be a forefoot striker or a heel striker or a midfoot striker. It's where the foot lands in relation to the body. We have a treadmill right here called a true form treadmill, which is a motorless treadmill. So if your form is good, then it'll work very well. If your form is not good, you'll have a real hard time on it. So let me explain the float run harness. So you put it on like it's a jacket. So you sort of put one sleeve on, then you grab the other side and get it in there. And it has these two little bands that sit here right in front of you. And you tuck your thumbs in to the band. And as you tuck your thumb in, it's going to keep your hands sort of close to your chest. Because the problem with runners is they get their hands out here and the foot follows the hands, so you start landing out in front of your body, which means to get the other foot going forward, you're going to spend an awful lot of time on this foot with every step you take. More time on your foot is more time for things to go wrong. So I'll demonstrate just sort of how it would work. So with the true form, you just get on, start running, you're running yourself, and then the loops sort of prevent you from getting your hands out in front. So really you just want to keep everything nice and relaxed, keep your elbows back, chest out. It does open up your chest. It allows you to run with better oxygenation, keeps your energy up more. You can see from the side sort of this position where you're going to land with your feet underneath you. On a treadmill like this, I'm sort of cheating into good form, but outside, keeping your elbows back really does a nice job.